What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to transform your eaves from dirty, filthy, with a whole bunch of different stuff growing on it, to nice, crisp and clean in literally seconds. You don't have to spend hours cleaning it. You don't have to spend money on painting it. Got a little hack and I'm about to show you guys how to do it. Let's do this. So what I'm using here is a mop from Sabco. It's one of the cheapest and best mops out there that you can get your hands on. It's got a swivel head and replaceable pads for when it gets too dirty. Now what I'm using also is a spray bottle with 1 part water and 1 part cleaning bleach. It's that simple. Nice little hack to get your eaves back to normal. What we're going to be doing is just basically saturating the head of the mop, and then we're going to get straight into cleaning. Now I'm not going to speed up the footage. I'm going to let you guys watch the magic as it happens. No speeding whatsoever. Nice simple hack to get your eaves looking like brand new with minimal effort and very short time. And literally minutes later, this is the finished product. So this is one of the best ways, the cheapest and fastest ways out there to clean your eaves, restore them back to normal with just a little bit of elbow grease. There are a few little defects in the eaves. However, when it comes to cleaning power, this is one of the best solutions out there to get your eaves looking like new once again. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.